Hi everyone, I'm Ryan Christian. Thanks for watching this video. We're really excited to preview the International Telemetry Conference for you. This is my good friend Tracy Grossman, our local in-house resident rocket telemetry extraordinaire. How many of these ITCs have you gone to?
Ryan, I've been to about 15 ITCs.
Wow, 15.
And it's important for lots of reasons. It's the educational value you get from all the classes. You get to see all the new products. And for us, we get to get closer touch with our customers and what they need and how we can help them the best.
Absolutely. So we want to preview what we're going to be showcasing at the ITC, but we also want to let you know that we're going to be taking our camera and our microphones on the road with us because we know many of you won't actually be able to attend the ITC. So we're going to try to capture as much as we can from the booth training that we're going to be doing, try to get them as many previews as we can on the technology that we know ultimately is super important for their jobs. So make sure you stay tuned to our LinkedIn channels because we'll be sending those to you next week. But for now, let's go ahead and preview the ITC 2021 and the booths that we're going to be hanging out at next week. So at the convention, we're going to be roaming around multiple booths. We have 4 of our premium telemetry vendors inside of one big hall. We're going to break those down first. Let's start with our friends over at L3 Harris. They're going to be at booth 701. Tell us about L3.
L3 is a flight-proven heritage military, aerospace, and defense markets. The newest arrival is going to be the Safe Shot system, which is a miniaturized encoder, encryptor, and transmit system all in one. It's over 70% smaller than some of the competition. And as we all know, the lighter and smaller is what we need now for our new hypersonic vehicles applications.
So big deal there. We have all of these telemetry components, the entire chain combined into one system, the Safe Shot system, enabling our customers to test and qualify their telemetry systems faster, basically to get their programs moving faster.
Yeah.
Okay, so next up we've got our friends over at SEMCO in booth 707. What's SEMCO up to?
SEMCO was actually founded in 1984, and they are specialized in the telemetry receivers, telemetry tracking and simulators, and turnkey telemetry systems. It can make you a complete telemetry trailer or van with everything you need to turn on and record and play back telemetry and simulate.
All right, so out of the gate they can help you with your receivers or your simulators, or in the event that you want a full turnkey solution, they can help you with that, even make it mobile in a van or a trailer. That's great. So that's SEMCO over in 707, and you just take a short trip down the hall to booth 721, and who do we have?
We have Parraid.
Parraid, okay, who are they? I don't think I've ever heard that name before.
Well, Parraid used to be called Smartronics.
Smartronics.
And before that, they were Wiley Telemetry Data Systems.
Wiley, we know that.
Now, they have carried a lot of their engineering and experience from over 25 years in the telemetry business into this new company called Parraid. So they specialize in, obviously, telemetry data systems that will record your PCM telemetry or Chapter 7 or Chapter 10 telemetry. And they also support a lot of math functions. And if you can't find a function you like, it's built in where you can build your own functions for all you engineers out there that are function crazy.
There you go. So they have the turnkey systems. They have the ready-to-go software for you for math and visualization, but they also give you access to create your own solutions, whether it's functions or the visualization. And like you said, they have a ton of experience, maybe a new name, but certainly the same great technology, the same great people, just a new brand. So we're looking forward to seeing you over at the Parade booth. And right next door, we have our friends DEWESoft.
DEWESoft.
Booth 727.
They specialize in your best-in-class data acquisition systems with sample rates from 20 kilohertz to 1 million samples per second.
1 million samples.
Per second, yes.
Wow.
And they support all of your common sensors and high-speed cameras and even telemetry. And there's almost no limit to the number of channels you can record.
Right.
And then
they also have a 7-year warranty. That's new this year. They stand behind their hardware, and so a 7-year warranty, that's a big deal. They have just a great team behind them at DEWESoft. Great software for sure, great hardware. So we look forward to seeing you over at DEWESoft so you can check out what they're up to. And I'm certain they'll be showcasing their PCM plugin as well. So we could tell you all about that. So that's DEWESoft over at booth 727. We look forward to seeing you there. And then just a short walk across the hall, not in the same room, but in the next room, you'll find us over at booth 516 with our friends at Udel. Tell us about Udel, Tracy.
Udel is leaders in RF products since 1967.
Were you alive then?
Yes, I was.
I was not, for sure. So there you go.
They have multi-couplers, frequency converters, RF distribution switches, and antenna systems. They have miniature multi-couplers and signal amplifiers and filters. So anything that the laws of Mother Nature and physics allows.
There you go. That's a long list of RF solutions. Something that's important for you to know that actually Udel will help you with your obsolescence mitigation issues. They have a policy where they will actually help you reverse engineer any of these old systems that maybe you have in your ground station or what have you, and they'll actually help you recreate that, re-engineer that, and not charge you any reoccurring engineering costs. So no NRE from Udel's products, which is just a great value add for our customers. So make sure you come by booth 516 to check out Udel. You're certain to see us probably there throughout the show, and we look forward to seeing you there. And then next up, we have Trenton Systems over in booth 212. Tell us about Trenton.
Trenton covers the whole gamut of computers made in the USA.
Computers made in the USA. I don't think they're going to find that anywhere else.
I don't think so either. They're headquartered right there in Alpharetta, Georgia. They design everything and they build everything within a few miles of their plant. They also have rugged systems that are MIL 810 compliant, MIL 461 compliant, MIL 901, and even DO 160 compliance. They have expansion chassis for your PCI expansion needs, and they even have network attached storage. They have configuration control all the way down to the BIOS level. And what that means is if a customer wants a BIOS configured a certain way when he gets his computer, every computer they order will be configured the exact same way when it comes in from the factory.
Bet they can't get that from Dell.
Probably not. Dell can't even guarantee the same part number for more than a week.
There you go.
They also are very high into the cybersecurity realm. They have several partners they work with on cybersecurity to make sure their systems are some of the most secure systems you can purchase today.
That's a big deal. Make sure you stop by the Trenton booth, learn all about their cybersecurity. We will certainly be talking about that, as well as some of the mobile products that they're doing, like their tax system, as well as all their ruggedized servers and workstations. So look forward to seeing you at the Trenton booth as well. And last but certainly not least, make sure to check us out at the Microchip booth, number 924, 924. Tell us a little bit about Microchip and what they can expect there.
Well, Microchip specializes in timing solutions for end-to-end applications.
Right.
Even remote sites in disparate locations around the country or around the world. They have GPS receivers and advanced timing solutions for commercial and government use.
Right.
That they can synchronize within nanoseconds, no matter where you're at in the world.
Okay, so really important for our customers to have their system synchronized, whether it's for range applications or any of their flight test applications. So Microchip, Microsemi, a great line for GPS timing, all their timing and synchronization needs. So make sure you check us out at booth 924. And we'll be happy to introduce you to the fine folks over at Microchip. So on behalf of Tracy, myself, and the whole Vic Myers team, thanks for watching this video. We hope you make it to ITC. If you can't make it, make sure you stay tuned to our LinkedIn channels. We're going to be walking around with our camera and doing some interviews, bringing ITC to you, just in case you can't make it. So we're really looking forward to that. And then, of course, all of our contact information are in the links below. You can reach out to us at any time. We've even included some scheduling links in there, so you can book a meeting with us at ITC. And again, if you can't make it, just stay tuned. We're going to bring some of it to you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you out there.